Welcome back to our English grammar class. I hope you are doing well. Dear students, today we are going to learn an interesting and very important topic, infinitives. This topic is used in daily conversation, writing, examinations, and competitive tests. If you understand infinitives, your English will become more fluent and natural. Let's start. What is an infinitive? An infinitive is the base form of a verb. It is usually preceded by to. Formula, to plus base form of verb. Examples. 1. To play. 2. To sleep. 3. To write. 4. To speak. 5. To learn. Examples in sentences. I want to sleep. They decided to travel. He hopes to become a teacher. We need to work hard. Now, understand this. An infinitive is not the main verb by itself. It works as a noun, adjective, or adverb. Example. I want to study. Main verb, want. Infinitive, to study. Types of infinitives. 1. Simple infinitive. Formula, to plus V1. Examples. 1. I want to study. 2. She hopes to win. 3. They plan to visit Karachi. 4. He likes to play hockey. 2. Bare infinitive. A bare infinitive is used without to. It comes after can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. Examples. 1. You can go now. 2. She must study. 3. We should help others. 4. They will arrive tomorrow. 5. He may come today. Now, understand another rule. Bare infinitives are also used after make, let, help, sometimes. Examples. 1. My teacher made me apologize. 2. My parents let me play outside. 3. She helped me carry the bag. Uses of infinitives. 1. After certain verbs. Examples. 1. Want, I want to learn Arabic. 2. Decide, we decided to buy a car. 3. Agree, they agreed to help us. 4. Plan, he plans to visit Lahore. 5. Promise, she promised to help me. 6. Learn, I learned to drive. 7. Refuse, he refused to invite. 8. Remember to bring your notebook. 9. Forget, don't forget to lock the door. 2. To show purpose. Examples. 1. I came here to study. 2. She works hard to earn money. 3. He exercises to stay healthy. 4. We save money to buy a car. 5. They went to the market to buy a car. 3. After adjectives. Examples. 1. He is glad to see you. 2. I am happy to help. 3. She is ready to leave. 4. They are eager to learn. 5. We are excited to travel. 4. As the subject of a sentence. Examples. 1. To forgive is noble. 2. To exercise is healthy. 3. To read is enjoyable. 4. To learn Arabic is useful. 5. To help others is kindness. 5. As the object of a sentence. Examples. 1. I prefer to study at night. 2. We hope to succeed. 3. He likes to drive. 4. She loves to study. 5. They decided to stay home. Infinitives after question words. Examples. 1. Tell me where to go. 2. We learned when to leave. 3. I don't know what to do. 4. She knows how to drive. 5. He asked whom to meet. Common mistakes. Incorrect, I enjoy to sleep. Correct, I enjoy sleeping. Incorrect, she suggested to go. Correct, she suggested going. Incorrect, he made me to laugh. Correct, he made me laugh. Let's solve some examples. She wants to become a teacher. Main verb, wants. Infinitive, to become. We came to learn Arabic. Infinitive, to learn. He is ready to start. Infinitive, to start. They hope to win. Infinitive, to win. I forgot to call my friend. Infinitive, to call. Difference between infinitive and main verb. 1. She wants to eat. Main verb, wants. Infinitive, to eat. 2. They decided to travel. Main verb, decided. Infinitive, to travel. Let's revise. What is an infinitive? An infinitive is the base form of a verb, usually with to. Formula, to plus base verb. Examples. To eat, to study, to write, to speak, to play. Uses. As a subject. After verbs. To show purpose. After adjectives. As an object. Excellent work, dear students. Today, we learned what infinitives are, their types, uses, rules, examples, and common mistakes. Practice using infinitives in your daily speaking and writing. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in English.